Yesterday we started reading our book called Homes, The Science of Homes, all about what science is inside a home that makes our life easier. Today we're going to read the section that's called Keeping Warm and Keeping Cool. It's going to describe some of the ways that homes can get heat. There is a diagram right here at the bottom. Once again, it's a diagram because it has a picture and each parts are labeled. It says this is a simple central heating system with a boiler and 3 radiators. So it looks like the boiler's at the bottom of the house or the basement. There's this blue line that brings cool water to a water pipe, a radiator. Looks like the hot water you can see is red, and it brings it to where it needs to go. Let's go ahead and read the section to learn more. Central heating keeps homes warm. A central heating system may have a boiler where fuel, such as a gas, is burned. So again, boiler and fuel are bolded. Down here at the bottom, a boiler is a machine that burns fuel to heat water. Fuel is a material we burn to make heat or power, like gas, oil, or coal. So the boiler, it's going to heat our water. A central heating system may have a boiler where fuel such as gas is burned. When the fuel burns, it makes heat. The heat warms up water in the boiler. The water flows along the pipes to the heaters around the house. Heat from the radiators goes into the rooms. Hot water cools the radiators and goes back to the boiler. A machine called a thermostat controls the home's temperature. So if you want your temperature warmer, your boiler is going to do more work. This next page, page 11, tells us all about how some homes keep heat in. Forced air heating. Many houses also have forced air heating, meaning forced air, a heating system that spreads warm air through ducts and vents. Heating is created by oil, gas, or electricity and central air handling unit. This unit has a powerful fan or blower. It sends the heat through the house using air ducts, like passageways, and vents, openings in your room. You'll see vents in every room you're in so that you can get that heated air. Here you can see burning gas heating up a boiler. If you have a heater in your own house, you will see the gas burning somewhere in it. Make sure you ask a parent before you go see it if you want to. Stay safe. You must be careful if you are near radiators and other heaters. It could burn you if you touch them. Do not put towels or clothes on radiators because the heat can make them catch fire. The next page we're going to read about is how people are going to keep the heat in your house. You heat your water, you heat your air, you want the air to stay in. Once again, we have a diagram I'm going to look at before I start reading. Here's a picture of a house. It says that my attic has insulation. It says that my door has weather stripping. It says that my wall has insulation. And my windows have double glazing. When it is cold outside, heat leaks out of your home through the walls, the window, and the roof. Heating is needed to replace the heat that escapes and to keep your home warm. We stop heat from escaping by using insulation. Once again, insulation is bolded. Insulation is a material that stops heat from leaking out of your home. Insulation's everywhere in your home, in between the walls, in the cracks in your home. It's not perfect, but it does a good job. Modern windows, meaning new windows, have 2 sheets of glass with space between them. This helps to stop heat from escaping through the glass. This type of window is called double glazing. Alright, today we read and we used headings to know what the page is about. We found new or interesting words that were bolded, and we used a diagram to help the information make sense so I could see a picture and a label so I know what I was talking about.